Hello everyone, welcome to HELI live show broadcasting. This is Yan from HELI Overseas Marketing Department. Very happy to meet you here. It's not the first time HELI did a live show. In the precedent ones, we already guided you to have one-day factory tour, presented and demonstrate several different kinds of HELI products. So I believe you already knew what HELI does and become familiar with HELI material handling equipment. So among so many products, how can you choose the most suitable model for your working situation? So today I will give you the answer by this live show. And we'll have three parts for this live show. The first is, what can HELI provide? The second is, how to choose the most suitable model. Third is, what's new in HELI? We will release 3 new products of HELI. By the way, during the live show, we also prepare some surprises, so please stay tuned. Okay, we come to the first part of this live show. What can HELI provide? Before answering the question, I'd like to briefly introduce HELI company's history. The story begins in 1958, HELI Mining Machinery Factory. So from the introduction of forklift technology to the first self-developed forklift, from being the #1 Chinese forklift brand to top 10 in the world, and from producing 3,000 units in 1 year to 20,000 units in only 1 month, from HELI headquartered in China to HELI France to HELI in Thailand and HELI American in USA. So HELI continues to build a complete industry layout, and finally we become the global forklift expert. So as a professional supplier, HELI has a very wide and complete product range, covering 800 kilogram to 42 ton, including all the classification IC and electric forklift, big load reach tracks, pallet tracks, stakers, loader, tractors, roof terrain, and other kinds of industry vehicles. Next, we will show you a product flash mob video. We will take you through the most popular product of HELI. The variety of HELI product can satisfy almost all the market demands for different users, different ecologies, and different scenarios. Here, we will show you a series of practical application cases with HELI products. We design and develop equipment on considering all the main environments like indoor, outdoor, small or big loading needs, narrow space, high lifting height, regional market needs, intelligent solution recommendation, and so on. And then, for the first application, it's indoor use. The electric forklift should be the best choice. Good performance, but zero emission. Lead acid and lithium battery both are available. HELI electric product loading capacity can be as small as 800 kg and as strong as 18 tons. Three-wheelers for narrow space and four-wheelers are available from 1 to 18 tons. They are widely used in tobacco, food, textile, electronics, warehousing, and logistics, and so on. And then the above is the general indoor using. Next, about some special indoor needs. HELI also carries out research on the characteristics of special indoor needs. So first of all, the cold chain industry. According to the user's real scene and operating environment, HELI's R&D team made long-term test and verification, providing users with safe and efficient products and professional material handling solutions to satisfy demand of low-temperature working situation. HELI's cold storage product range includes lead-acid model, lithium model, retracts, stacker, and pallet tracks. In a cold storage environment, we can provide suitable and efficient products for both short shelf and high shelf storage. Next, the next special indoor thing is high shelf warehouses. So the retract is ready for you. Retract combines the advantages of counterbalanced electric forklift and stacker. It's one of the most common used models for narrow workplaces with high shelf and frequent loading and unloading picking operations, such as in hypermarket, warehouses, tobacco, food, textile, electronics factories, and logistic distribution centers. We can see that our current retract product line has been quite full. Like we show on the screen, the lifting height can be up to 12.5 tons. At present, HELI retracts model include stand-up type from 1.5 to 2.5 tons, sitting-on type from 1.2 to 2 tons. And we also develop some special retracts, the scissor retracts, single and double scissor models. After talking about the high shelf warehouse, then how about the short shelf warehouse? So we will recommend another product. It's HELI electric warehouse product. It covers more than 50 kinds of types. You can find pallet tracks, stacker, order pickers, and so on. It is suitable for short shelf warehouse with good operating environment. The product is economical and practical, widely used in shopping malls, supermarkets, warehouses, working shops, food, textile, printing, and other light industry. I think so much for the indoor things, and it's time to go out. I will talk about the outdoor working situation. So for the outdoor working situation, IC forklift are the most common used. HELI IC forklift have a complete range covering 1 to 10 tons and 12 to 40 tons. 46 tons, I'm sorry. You can see from the screen, it's quite complete. And you can find them in factory, stations, docks, ports, for loading and handling of packaged goods. First of all, let me talk about the 1 to 10 ton IC forklift, which has a very large number of users. So to fit different demands of market, HELI 1 to 10 ton IC forklift are developed with different combination of specification. As we show on screen, we have the basic models, wholesale models, as well as high performance models. So how do they fit the market? The basic models is very popular for the basic handling operation need and for market with general level emission requirements. For example, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa market. Then the wholesale model is generally suitable for all the market needs. We have several wholesale models in this level. It can also satisfy the emission standard Euro Stage 3A, Euro Stage 4, Euro Stage 5, and EPA Carb 4 in North America. Comfortable operation, high efficiency, low energy consumption, and strong performance. We got lots of good feedback from the market. And at last, regarding the high performance model, they are mainly the high-end product range, highly efficient and environmentally friendly, safe and reliable, intelligent and comfortable. Especially HELI latest G3 generation product provides customer with the best material handling solution in terms of working efficiency, comfort, and safety. So next we will show you more application cases with HELI IC tracks from the video. Okay, welcome back. If for heavy loading, don't worry, HELI has all you need. We recommend HELI 12 to 60 ton IC forklift. They are the red giant in HELI's product family. A wide variety of heavy-duty forklifts provide customers with professional logistic handling solution for scenarios such as mines. They have a durable structure design, standard with tilting cab and optional with high cab. High working efficiency, comfortable operation, and smaller turning radius. 360-degree view cabin, wide front view and head view. And 6-point visual reverse radar provides large monitoring range. And then, in the view of the port and the wharf scenario, HELI also develops the product for you. We will recommend the container reach stacker and empty container handler. And now we are showing by the video the application of HELI empty container handler on the wharf. 360-degree view high cabin ensures wide front view and head view. Small radians bring higher mobility. This model will help you for empty container transportation and staking. Until now, all the cases are related to lifting and staking. To be a material handling expert, HELI objective is providing a set of material handling solution. So tractor also plays a very important role in the logistics sectors, especially for airports, railway station, post office, port, metallurgy, ships, warehouses, factories, and other kinds of planned transportation and logistic places. HELI has a largest tractor manufacturing base in China with the most complete product line, covering IC and electric tractors, platform tractors, and trailers with different tonnage. At last, we don't forget the tough working situation. We have what you are looking for: the telescopic handlers, wheel loaders, and the roof terrain forklift. And in the video, HELI 4-ton roof terrain telescopic handler with large forward reach and lifting height. It can not only load and unload goods to high places, but also pick and place goods over the obstacle in front, especially for farmlands, orchards, and other all-terrain operations. Then, HELI 3 to 6 ton wheel loaders. So from the video, this product has convenient maintenance, comfortable operation, energy saving, large explosive force, outstanding reliability and work efficiency, suitable for mining, quarry, gravel field, sand field, iron ore factory, and other heavy operations. Finally, we show you HELI roof terrain forklift. It's strong and powerful. Extra wide roof terrain tires bring good off-road performance. It's a suitable choice for mines, farmlands, and orchards operations too. HELI develops product also based on some regional characteristics. Here, I'd like to present HELI cushion tile forklift. We have 1 to 5 ton IC cushion tile forklift and 2 to 3.2 ton electric cushion tile forklift. The IC forklift meeting the EPA and CARB Tier 4 and also EU Stage 5 emission regulation and safety standard. And the product is more suitable for narrow passages and can be operated in train cabins. It fully meets the needs of North America and also global market. Recently, logistics industry developed very fast, so the unmanned handling equipment will be one of the future trends in material handling industry. HELI's intelligent logistics team brings you solution with AGV, the automated guided vehicle. Integrating the intelligent information system with HELI's tractors, stacker, and pallet trucks, we can help you to realize the unmanned logistic handling management and operation. Moreover, HELI AGV is equipped with lithium battery, maintenance-free and long service life. Fast and automatic charging is another advantage of HELI AGV. Different charging mode can be selected according to working condition and charging condition. So the AGV solution can greatly improve your working efficiency, shorten delivery time, and reduce cost. As saying so much, they are using the traditional forks. So the forks on a forklift are for packaged goods handling. But how about the bulk cargo and the non-packaged goods? Then you will need to add forklift attachment. With attachment, the forklift will have more possibility and more diverse handling functions. HELI has its own attachment factory and provides more than 2,300 models of attachments, including side shifters, fork position, paper roll clamp, bar clamp, block clamp, rotator, push and pull, and many other you can find on the market. The following video with attachment application cases will be interested for you. So from the video, HELI attachment is a good helper for forklifts to handle bulk cargo and non-packaged goods. They are widely used in warehouse, paper making, tobacco, port, construction, and many other industries. I think so much. We hope you have now inspiration to choose the most suitable model. These are some of the most common scenarios for material handling. If you can't still find the answer, you can feel free to contact HELI team and your local agents. Can't. of HELI on the social net sites. You can scan the QR code shown on the screen to choose and the most suitable model. All the dynamic information of HELI. And next, we'll go to the third part of this live show. We'd like also to invite you to follow the official Okay, we will bring you. Okay, now it's the third part of live show. The new product launch. We will bring you 3 brand new products. They are all in HELI Generation G3 series. 2 for electric forklift, dual drive forklift, and 1 for IC forklift of large tonnage. And now I'd like to invite my colleague, Mr. William Chen. He is our engineer. He will help me to introduce the new product. Welcome.
Thank you, Yan. Hello everyone, this is William Chen, an engineer in HELI. Very happy, and I think it's a great honor to be here to share our products to everyone. And next, Yan and me will bring you some new products of HELI.
Yes, great. Thanks, William.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the audience can't wait to learn more about the 3 new products. So now, can we start?
Okay.
Okay. So among the 3 new products, I think the middle one, in the middle, this forklift caught my eye first.
Yes.
And I think it looks very special and compact and beautiful.
Yes. For this model, this is a brand new lithium forklift in HELI. It's a 3-wheeler and dual drive forklift. And belongs to G3 series. As we all know, G3 series in HELI is the high-end product. And for this model, the tonnage range includes 1.5 ton, 1.6 ton, 1.8 ton, and 2 ton. The load capacity of this model is 2 ton. And for this model, it also can be equipped with Curtis or Zappi electric controller. And the lightweight design concept is also used to this model, so it can make the forklift more energy saving.
Great. And how about the performance? I know for customers, performance is always the first thing to consider when they want to purchase a forklift.
Yes, I agree with your opinion.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes the dynamic performance is the first thing that customer will consider. Although this model looks a little small, but I think don't worry, it's powerful.
Yeah,
because
great.
It uses the ZF dual drive box and double AC drive motor, so it can easily drive up to the 22% ramp with full load.
Really, full load? 22?
Yes, you heard correctly.
Very powerful for electric forklift.
Yes, so the dynamic performance is strong.
Yes.
And for this model, it travels fast, and the mast lifts and falls smoothly and quickly.
Great.
Yeah, so it brings higher working efficiency. Yes.
Sounds great, sounds good. So in addition to the powerful performance, how about ergonomics? Because I know for HELI always strive for excellence. So we take care, we pay more attention to the customer's operation experience.
Yes. About the ergonomics, we did a lot of work to improve it. And please let me get on the forklift to show more about the ergonomics upgrading.
Yeah, please.
Okay. The first, there is a large working space, so operator can get on. So the operator can get on and get off the forklift easily. Okay, now I'm sitting here. It's very easy. And please see here, this is a USB port. So operator can charge their mobile phone at any time. And this this pedal is not a travel braking, it's a parking brake. Different from the traditional parking brake, it's a new designed pedal type.
So it's pedal type, not the hand brake.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's very convenient and easier for operator to press like this. Okay, and this is the control levers.
Yes.
Now they are on the right side of me, more in line with the operation habit, so it can effectively reduce the long time walking fatigue.
Yeah, so it's like our car.
Yes.
Yeah, great.
And
so this design, for me, in my opinion, is very smart.
okay, yes, of course, but I think not yet finished.
Yeah?
Please see the mast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
We have optimized the layout of the mast.
Yeah.
So the front wider. So the front wider
Yes.
is the front viewer is wider.
Very, very wide. Yeah, I understand. I understand.
So it's very wide, and the
Yes.
mast is cushioned,
Yes.
so it can smoothly descend to the bottom and rises to the top.
Ah, great. So, so from these advantages, this model is also very good to keep the operation with more safety.
Yes.
Yes, great.
And talking about the safety,
Yeah.
you have mentioned the safety, and
Yes,
I want to
yes.
say something about the safety. About the safety for this model, the automatic cornering deceleration is standard.
It's standard.
Yes.
Yeah,
it's standard.
normally for other electric forklift, it may like an option.
Yes.
And for this machine, this series, is standard.
Because it's G3 series.
Yes, high-end product.
High-end product.
Yeah, latest generation.
Product, yes.
Yeah. That's really intelligent function for this machine.
Okay.
And this is a three-wheel with 3 wheels electric forklift.
Yes.
It's very compact, like I already mentioned, small and compact. So it's a good choice for warehouse, especially in narrow places.
Yes, yes, I think you are totally correct, because the turning radius is smaller than the other forklifts.
Yes.
So so for this model, there's no pressure for walking in narrow place.
Yeah, no problem, no pressure
Yes.
for the narrow place. It's very flexible.
Yes, and in addition, I wonder, and in addition for this model, it also adopts 80 voltage
Yeah.
with lithium batteries.
Yeah. Could you please show us maybe the charging gun place here?
Yes, this is the charging gun.
Yeah.
And with lithium batteries with CATL cells,
Yeah.
so it can charge it quickly.
Yeah, great.
And we can plug in at any time, even though during our lunch break time.
Yeah.
So we can save our working time.
Yeah, normally a lunch break is like 1 hour and 2 hours.
Yes.
So for a lead acid battery, we may need 7 to 8 hours to charge, full charge. But for lithium battery, it's very quick and efficient.
Yes.
Great. So let me make a conclusion for
Okay.
this machine. So this is the new G3 1.5 to 2 ton 3-wheeled forklift. It has the 80 voltage and with lithium battery. It's compact, powerful, flexible, safe and efficient. Very good for narrow place and high intensity work. And next, let's take a look at next machine, right?
Okay.
Okay. The next machine is the HELI G3 7-ton electric forklift. It's also a brand new product of HELI G3 generation. And as a brand new product, the forklift is equipped with key electronic components of first-class brand, such as the motor of Schaeber-Müller and SAPI controller. And William, I see from the appearance, it's beautiful and it has the streamlined design. And it's beautiful, high-end. Also, I think it's full of muscle feeling.
Yes. Yes. But as we can see, this is a big model, big electrical model.
Yeah.
But it's not only gorgeous in appearance. it also has power. It also has strong powerful. For this model, it's equipped. It's equipped with Kessner dual drive box and double AC drive motor, so it can easily drive up to the 18% ramp with full load.
Yeah, with full load again.
Yes.
Yeah.
And hello, yeah. I want
Yeah, I
please say,
think
please,
yeah, it's
please
very
say that from
special.
where?
Yeah.
What can you find?
We have two front. It's twin tire.
Yes.
Right.
This is not the single tire.
Yeah.
It's twin tires.
Yes.
So this model has an outstanding loading capacity in high position, as good as 7-ton IC forklift.
Yeah. Okay.
But,
Great.
But this electrical model is more compact.
More compact.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's more compact,
Yes.
and the energy consumption
Yes.
is nice.
Yeah, great. That's clear. That sounds impressive.
Yes.
And how about the ergonomics? Because I already asked the ergonomics, or I always ask ergonomics for forklift because it's very important for the drivers, for the operator. Could you please show us the upgrading of this motor?
Of course. Let me get on the
Yeah,
forklift
please.
to show more. Okay. Now I'm sitting here. I think it's very comfortable because this seat is a full suspension seat.
Ah, I saw they have the shock absorption under the seat, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it can effectively reduce the fatigue or long time walking. And we can also option the fingertip for suspension seat.
Yes.
Okay. And next we also use electronic handbrake.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay. Easier and more intelligent than traditional one.
So just right now you mentioned the fingertips suspension seat is an option for this forklift,
Yes.
right? So with the fingertips, it will be very suitable for some high-end market.
Yes.
And it will be very easy and flexible to do the operation.
Yes.
Okay, great.
And
do you have others to
of course, I have some features wanna share to our audience. And next we also have some intelligent functions such as automatic cornering
like
acceleration.
this machine.
Yes.
Like the first machine.
Yes, because this is G3
G3
series.
series.
Yes. I think you have known this name.
Yeah.
And we also have independent steering function.
Yeah, great.
Okay. And hello, Yan.
Yes.
I also want to ask you a question.
Yes, please.
Do you know what's the full set of OPS system in HELI?
I know for some safety regulation we have to add some sensor under the seat to keep and monitor the driver if they are on the seat, right?
Yes. Yes, you're right. But
it's a safety equipment.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I want to supply some information about this.
Okay, please.
At first, this forklift equipped with full set of OPS system. So if we leave the seat like this during the walking, the forklift can travel and the tilt and the mast can lift.
Yes.
Yes, it's a safety function for this model.
Yeah.
Because we need to pay attention to the safety. Safety is the first
most
thing.
important. The first thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. That's very clear. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, the 7-ton is quite large tonnage. It should have some complicated design because it's very large.
Yes.
Yes. And how about the maintenance repair? It will be complicated also?
Okay, we also think of it.
Yeah. Okay.
At first, I want to introduce to everyone is the battery could be removed from the side.
Yeah.
It's very large.
Yeah, quite practical.
Okay. And for the electrical system, we also have two taking units. The first one is inside the hood, and the another one is in the counterbalance.
Okay, all the electronics, like controllers, like the harness, they are integrated in the two units.
Yes.
So when you only open the hood, then you can find everything. You will check, repair, easy for the maintenance and repair work.
Yes, easy to check and replace.
Yeah, great. So it's really impressive and practical. That proves Heli always strives for excellence, and we pay more attention to the detailed design. By the way, the electric model can have lead acid and lithium battery for this model.
Of course, and this model is equipped with lithium batteries with CATL cell.
Yes.
And this model supports quick charging.
Yes.
Quick charging of single gun 200 ampere and double gun 400 ampere.
For double gun, could you please show us the double gun?
Of course.
Yeah.
We can open the hood, and we can find the double gun.
We have two plug.
Yes.
Okay, great. So in your, with this advantage, if I understand correctly, it's also a good model for the high intensity work because we can fast charging this electric forklift.
Yes, of course.
Okay, great. And now after two electric G3 models, here let me introduce the third new product in Heli G3 family, the G3 5 to 10 ton IC forklift. So here behind us, we demonstrate a 7-ton diesel forklift. Yes. William, for IC forklift, I know for many customers, they pay more attention of the emission regulation, especially the latest one in EU and the USA. And how about this one?
Okay, Heli understands the customer's thinking.
Yes.
But don't worry, for this model, we equipped with Cummins QSF 3.8 engine with high pressure common rail system.
Yes.
And for the whole vehicle, we also equipped with several after treatment strategy, including DOC, DPF, and SCR strategy. So our forklift can meet the latest emission regulations of Europe and the US.
And for the after treatment system like DOC, DPF, and SCR,
yes.
So it's maintenance free. It's very easy to check, right? Because for other models before Euro Stage 5, we don't have this kind of after treatment.
The DOC and the SCR strategy is maintenance free.
Yeah, nice. So it's very easy for the customer, even they change to the Euro Stage 5 machine.
Yes.
Okay. So Heli always follow the latest regulation and the latest standard of the world.
And in addition, I want to get on the forklift to show more features to everyone.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Now I'm sitting here.
Yes.
And on the top, I think there is another mirror. So another rear mirror, so I can see clearly. So I can clearly see the back of the forklift.
Yes, have a wide view of the back.
Yes, and the rear handle with home button is also standard.
Yeah.
This one.
So it will safer.
Yes.
When drives reverse the car.
Yes, and this red button is an emergency button.
Yeah.
So if we press it
this
down,
button,
it will cut off the power supply.
Like the electric forklift.
Yes, and this is also. I think this is not standard, and this is an option.
Okay.
We can option.
Okay, great.
Okay. And this is multifunctional LCD instrument.
Yes, yes.
We can easily get the driving data from this screen, and including the temperature of the coolant, our meters, the level of fuel, and the travel speed.
Full of function.
Yes.
Yeah, very practical for the drivers to see all the data.
Yes.
Yeah.
And hello, Yan. I also have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
This forklift equipped with a high exhaust.
Yes.
And I think high exhaust is popular in Europe.
Yes.
Correct? Right?
Right. I was working for Europe market, so I know many customers they prefer the high exhaust.
Yes, and in some And in some small model,
Yeah.
our customer also want to choose the high exhaust.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
For some small model, it's options, but for this model, the high exhaust, its options are standard
Yes,
again.
it's standard.
So it's very suitable for high-end, like European market, like USA market, right?
Yes.
Great.
And for this model,
Yes.
I think the dynamic performance is also power is also strong.
Yeah, I can imagine because it's strong from the appearance already.
Yes. And because this forklift, the drive axle and the drive box is used ZF, and the maximum travel speed can reach up to 29 kilometers per hour.
29 kilometers.
Yes, and it can drive up to the 50% with full load. Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes,
it's 50, so 50% of the ramp with full load.
Yes, with full load.
Really powerful.
And 50% ramp.
Great, the very, very high performance.
Okay, and to provide our customers with the best material handling equipment and solution, is always the Heli's task.
Yes, absolutely agree your idea.
Okay.
And thanks, William, for the detailed and nice introduction. And all the above 3 new products are for Heli latest generation G3 series. But time is limited, so not enough to fully present their excellence. If you have questions, for more information, welcome to contact Heli local dealers and Heli team. We will provide you a professional and intimate service.